Ex-principal accused of child sex assault in Australia. On the first day of pre-trial hearings, a former principal charged with sexually assaulting students at an Australian Jewish ultra-Orthodox school appeared via a video connection on Monday. Malka Leifer, an Israeli-Australian dual citizen, was seen on camera from jail wearing a blue blouse and a white headscarf. From 2004 to 2008, when she was a religious study teacher and administrator at Adass Israel School in Melbourne, she denies 74 allegations including rape, indecent assaults, and sexual abuse for children. The Melbourne committal hearing, which is scheduled to run until September 20th, will determine if there is sufficient evidence to convict Leifer. Leifer spoke solely to affirm that she could hear and watch the proceedings in the Melbourne court, which was conducted by video under a COVID-19 lockdown while looking downwards and often resting her chin in her left palm. Yes, she said when prodded by a jail officer after first failing to respond to the magistrate's question. During her claimed victims' testimonies, journalists were excluded from the televised session. Leifer was apologized to by the magistrate for attending on Yom Kippur Judea Day, which occurs on September 16, but the hearing will proceed in her absence on that day. Three sisters, Nicole Meyer, Dossie Ehrlich, and Ellie Sapper, have publicly identified themselves as Leifer's claimed victims in their campaign to have her charged. Leifer, now in her 50s, left Australia for Israel after she was accused in 2008 when she moved her family to the occupied West Bank's Emmanuel settlement. Charges were brought against her in 2012, and she was extradited in 2014. She landed in Melbourne on a trip in late January following 6 years of a legal battle in Israel, including questions about whether she was faking mental illness to avoid a trial in Australia. Last December, the Israeli Supreme Court dismissed her attorney's last plea against extradition.